Here I have Nokia G10, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and also an SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card slot, which is located here on this edge of your device. So just put the tool inside the hole on the slot will come out, and now you can put SD card right here in your SIM card here, and then just put it back into your device like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires the pin code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. So let's enter it, and there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.